Hi, my name is Samir, and I'm one of the co-founders and the CEO of Juni. And we are all about creating the best financial companion for e-commerce companies out there. So everyone who does e-commerce, inventory, fulfillment with their own products selling on their own stores, to dropshippers, to affiliate marketeers that's selling other products. Juni is for you guys. We want to be the best financial companion because we have lived the problems ourselves. I've had 2 companies in e-commerce and marketing, 1 failure and 1 success. In both those companies, we did everything from affiliate marketing to dropshipping to inventory e-commerce where we sold our own products. I was the one responsible for all financial management, and I was very frustrated. In the last company, we changed our banking solution 7 times. And we did that because we couldn't get the right solution for our needs. I want to give you some example of that. I had to call the banks numerous of times in order to get the spend limit on my cards raised because we did so much advertising. That was a time waste and it was a headache and also created a lot of anxiety because waking up in the night and seeing that your card was declined on Facebook or Google Ads or Bing or anywhere else is always very stressful. I had to look how our money was wasted by different conversion fees when we converted money from Euro to Sterling or paying USD because they added a lot of FX. I hated that. I also had a lot of payments stopped. When we were paying to Taboola or we were sending money to MailChimp, I could get a call from a bank asking, who are these guys? And obviously you should know who these guys are. But that's only the top of the tools we were using and the banking we were expecting. We also had a lot of manual processes we needed to do in order to understand our business. Every day I went into our different payment gateways in order to calculate the balances and see the flow of funds. More than that, I also had to talk with all my other teammates and tell them how much liquidity we had to spend on ads, buy inventory for, and so on. And that was a huge headache. Lastly, we never got any good rewards. No bank wanted to give us any good cash back, even how much we spent. So when I came into fintech, I realized this can be done so much better. We want you to survive, grow, and win. And therefore, we want to provide you with the best tools that you need in your business. Cards that have high spend limits in the right currencies with 1% cash back, so you get rewarded for all your spend. If a company spends the amounts that e-commerce and marketing companies does on marketing, you should be rewarded. We want you to give you multiple accounts that you can set up in the right currencies according to the structure that fits your company. And the best credit offerings. So you have all the dry powder you need to grow. On top of that, we want to give you insights, give you the knowledge you need to take the right decisions. We want to combine the data points from your payment gateways, from your ad networks, and from your account in order to give you a unified view of your liquidity and your flow of funds. And not only that, we also want to help you to derive the right insights so you then can propel your business based on that help. And lastly, we know that your time is precious. We aim to give back some of that time to you. That time you waste today on manual processes when you prepare your accounting, when you're updating payment methods. Through Juni, you will be able to save time and put those hours on the tasks that matter to make money. But maybe most important is that we have built Juni as a team on people with experience from e-commerce and fintech. It's a marriage between the best in media buying. Our people have done every kind of advertising you can imagine. They bought products from all sites and all places on earth. And that's very important because we want you, when you reach out to us, to be able to get the understanding you need directly in real time. So you never have to wait or explain or get the wrong kind of help. We want to be the best financial companion out there. A companion that are with you from the beginning to the win. So how does it work? It's very simple. You sign up and you send in all the documents needed in order to be verified. As soon as you're verified, you will be able to use Juni to its fullest extent. You can, in the beginning, go to the dashboard and there you will be able to see your Juni accounts, but also the accounts you've integrated. Click on integrations and add integration, and you will be able to integrate all your payment gateways, PayPal, Stripe. You can integrate ad networks like ZeroPark, and you can integrate another bank if you have used one before or have another financial solution for a specific purpose. Then when you go back to the dashboard, you will be able to see your Juni balance and your total balance, not having to go into each of the different services in order to know your full liquidity. If you click on transactions, you also see all your transactions in all your different integrations and on your Juni account. You notice that we group your transactions. So if you have 5 transactions from Google in one day, instead of having to see them in 5 rows and multiply them or add them together in order to know how much you spent on ads that day, we will show you one number, and then you can expand that group if you want to see each and one of the transactions. We also do the same with PayPal. So if you use a Juni card on PayPal to pay a service, you will see this as one transaction where we show the full flow of the funds from Juni to PayPal to the supplier. In transactions, you can export your account statements, and then we give you the transactions from all your integrations and your Juni accounts together, so you know that you have the right data in one place. What's great about transactions is that you can also upload any verification, receipts or invoice to each transaction, so you know that you have them in one place. In the future, we're gonna fetch the receipts and invoices automatically from your Google account, but also from the different integrations, from Google Ads, from Facebook. So you don't need to prepare your accounting. So we get your invoices for you, we match them automatically, and then you just, with one click, send them to your accountant or the accounting software of your choice. And what's really good is that on all cards, you get 1% cashback on all spend, regardless if it's on advertising or on a subscription. You can also order physical cards when you create the new cards, and you get them delivered to your address. Your cards are always connected to an account. And if you go to the account view, you can create multiple accounts. You start off by having one account in each currency. If you want to transfer between accounts, you click on the send money and choose to transfer between accounts. You can also send payments through SEPA or SWIFT by clicking on send payments. In the settings menu in the right top corner, you can click on team and choose to invite more users. So all of your team can work inside of Juni and get access to the right transactions, accounts and cards. In settings, you can also set your notifications. Here you can set so you get notifications for any new transaction being made, if you get money deposited, or if you pay anything to ZeroPark or to Shopify. You can also get a warning if your account balance is too low. You'll get a notification so you have the time to deposit more money or lower your spend on your advertising networks. Going forward, we will also make it possible for you to tag your cards, accounts, and integrations in order to create the right reports for you. So if you want to see only your cards for a certain store on a certain ad network together with an account and a revenue stream from only one PayPal or one Stripe account, you will be able to create that report and see those analytics. And we believe that that's the future of financial management and banking, to give you the power to see the data the way you have structured your business. Also, very important is that if you ever need any help, you can always click on the chat icon in the right corner, and you will get help from a person with the right experiences from e-commerce and marketing, that understands your business and can guide you and solve your issues whenever needed. We aim to be the best financial companion for any e-commerce company out there. We want to be a competitive advantage for you, to affect your bottom line and in the end be seen by you as a revenue driver. Sign up today and enjoy the full benefits of Juni. And if you're from Geek Out, I can promise you there is an extra bonus waiting for you.